bugs me? Pestie.
There is no stopping Louisville. We'll soon be here.
How dare you, insect? How dare you interrupt my ascendance?
Look, so you've seen those ads for Pestie, right? The deal where they send you pro-grade pest control and customized plans for half of what a pro charges. For starters, the only thing customizable is their 3 options of how to pay you. This service commits the cardinal sin of pest control, thinking that the pesticide is the answer to your problem. Give me all the professional tools and roll me under the bug truck. I'm lost as a ball on high weeds. I ain't fixing that truck because the tools aren't the solution, but knowledge and wisdom are. Let me ask you some questions. Are they going to be there to do a thorough inspection, determine why you have bugs or how they're getting in? Are they going to remove spider webs and wasp nests for you? If you need a dust application, are they going to send you that dust, the duster, and a mask? If you need a bait, are they going to send you the bait and the bait station? What if you need a granular product? Are they going to send you that? Only a small portion of issues are appropriate to be dealt with a liquid spray. Pest control is not a one-trick pony. We need a bunch of tools to get the job done. Pestie is a one-trick pony. They only give you 1 gallon. Depending on what you are using, that's rarely enough to do a thorough job. Will you miss the critical location when you run out? Are they going to send a different product when that would be more appropriate for your situation? Would you know how to identify if that was what was needed and be able to communicate that to them? If you could, then how long would you have to wait for them to ship the new product to you? With Pestie, the responsibility of proper application and ongoing maintenance, that's your problem. This requires diligence and adherence to instructions to achieve optimal results. Let's be honest, you don't read instructions, do you? Well, here, it's the law. So you can save some money, sure, and you might be able to prevent low-level incursions, but when it becomes a problem, you're left flapping in the wind with no other options except what they sent you and no experience as to what to do next.
And when you kill your dog, that's on you. They're not going to take blame for that.
Now, I know what you're thinking. He owns a pest control company. Of course he doesn't like Pestie. Nope, that's not true. They sell a product. I provide a service. So go ahead and try it. I ain't scared. Just remember who to call when that fails. It bugs me, Pestie. But I love to kill the bugs you tried to kill with Pestie.
You're killing me, Smalls.
So, I stand upon my desk to remind myself that we must constantly look at things in a different way.